Hi guys, due to some complaints I've gotten for some people that they are confused about this app, so today I'm going to be showing you basically how to perform your tax on this app, all what you need to do and all what you need to do, and the new things that you need to know about this app that makes it far better than any other app you would have tried to use to earn on. So if you know you're gonna like such video, please do not hesitate to smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notifications, so anytime I post videos related to money making or apps like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And drop me a wonderful comment. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the video. First of all, if you notice in other apps like Popo for example, when you want to perform your tax, if you tap on the tax icon, when you tap on it, it will take you straight to where you have your tax. If you notice in Popo, if you know that in Popo you have 3 hours tax. The first one is 1 hour to get $1. You understand? The second one is 800 and so on. So if you don't know about it, you can just go and check out the app. So here you have 1 hour live, and you also have to do another hour live. So this is the major tax you have in a day, to complete 2 hours live stream to get $2 if you're new on the app. So this one, don't mind this one. I did this yesterday. I was able to complete only one. I could not complete this. So that's all about what you're seeing here. Okay, so that's all about that. Then you probably might be confused that this place is not tap here. Why can't I tap here now for me to like go and complete my live stream? Yeah, you can't tap here. All you just have to do, let me take it from here. All you have to do is to go away from this place, go to this place where you have your task, then go live automatically. Tap here and go live automatically. Tap here. When you tap here, it takes you to this place. If you want to tap your select tag, it's not important anyway. Select how many seats you want to what they call it. You want to how many seats that you want to open. Okay, so if you select enemies, let's select 6 seats for example, then all you have to do is to automatically go live. When you automatically go live, and you are doing your tax automatically like this, it's going to count immediately because tax now is counting. One thing I noticed about this app, do you know you can leave this place like this and use other apps in your phone? You can use other applications in your phone. For example, let's tap on these 3 dots that we have up here. When we tap on it, okay, don't mind, this is like a coupon. I noticed that they also give coupon, like free coupons that you can use in playing games. There are number games there you can use to play games, just coupons. Like, see, free coupons you can use in playing games. You don't even have to use your coins at all to play games, and you win real coins if you win on the app. So you can just remove it if you don't want to, but it expires immediately you see that thing pop up. Make sure you tap on it and play the games because it expires. So as I was saying, if you tap on these 3 dots here, you tap on the 3 dots. So let me take this away. Tap on the 3 dots here. Look at this. If you can tap on this for you to like temporarily, like for you to like be out of the app, but your life is still counted. Do you understand? Why this is to exit your life. If you want to end the life, you tap on it to end your life. So for example, now let me tap on the X. Now you can see that I'm still live here. Can you see that I'm still live here? I'm still live right here. This way you can go out of the app. Do you understand? You can go out of the app and do other things. Look at, you can go check your tax. If you want to check anything on the app, you can check any other thing you want to check on the app. You can check around the app. You can even exit from your phone. And you can still come back to your app. Like, you will still see yourself doing your tax. You go to any app, you come back, you still see yourself. Can you imagine? It's still there. This is one fun thing I noticed that is a difference from Popo live stream app. You understand? That makes it different from Popo live stream app. So that's about the tax. So that's just basically the 2 major tax you have to do. Then let's tap our tax icon again. Let me show you the other tax that is still in the app that you're meant to do. So look at now. Take a look at this. I've done most of the app. So immediately you are done with your tax, do not forget to come and receive your reward immediately you are done with your tax. Okay, so I've received this one, I've received this, I'm about to receive this because I've been on the app, on the mic on this party room for 25 minutes, so I can receive it right now. Okay, so I've received it. So this one is incomplete because I am still yet to be on the app for 40 minutes. So when I'm done on this party for 40 minutes, it will show. Do you understand? I'll be able to receive my reward from this. So these are just like other additional tasks that you do. Although when you are doing your live tax, this can be automatically done because the first one says, although I've done others. Okay, yeah, these are the ones that are here. The other one says, sorry, This one's a publish a movement. You know how to publish a movement. It's just like creating a post. I've done that. Stay on the mic on the party room for 25 minutes. You get gifts, lucky gifts. I've done that. I've received it, as you can see right here. Stay on the mic in the party room for 10 minutes. I've done that. And enter a party room today. I've done that. You understand? So that are just like minor tasks for you to do, but in some way you automatically do it. You understand? You automatically do these tasks when you are doing your major live stream. Do you get? Then stay on the mic for party room for 40 minutes. Another task to do. Immediately you know you are done with this, you can just come to this basic task here, then receive your reward. It's an additional present, I mean the additional reward you receive, gifts you receive on the app. Do you understand? So I'm currently doing my tasks here right now. So you can see that it is counting, guys. You can see that it is counting. I'm currently doing my tasks. My first task for today, I've done 32 minutes out of 60 minutes that I'm assigned. I'm allocated to do this task. Then later on I'll do this. You can see that it's counting. Once I'm done, I'll automatically receive it here in the icon here. Alright guys, now that's just basically everything you have to know about the task. So let me confirm this. I told you that this thing will be counting even while I am not in the live stream like this. Do you understand? Let me go back to the live stream. So I'm currently in the live stream right now. So they want me to use a free coupon, 16 coupon. I can play, but I don't have time for that. So let me just cancel it. So let me now go out of the app again. Then now confirm this. Let's go out of this to confirm if it is counting, so it don't look as if I'm making a mistake here. If it is counting while we are not in the app. So do you see? Voila, it's actually counting even while I'm not in the app. Do you understand? When I'm not in doing the tax, I'm out of the I'm out of the live stream. Do you understand? So it counts. So when you're done, you receive your tax. If you have any other question concerning this app, you can drop the comments in the comment section. I'll be ready to attend to every one of you. And my group link is also in the description. Just tap on the link and join my group. Then I'll be there to answer your questions. And I think that's basically it. If you know you've gotten something tangible from this video, please do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the post notification so you'll be the first to get notified. And share this video to friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.